Did you know that many people are making thousands of dollars monthly from content creation without ever showing their faces? Let me tell you something. You don't need any experience to get started. You too can use AI to generate faceless content and build extra income streams without ever appearing on camera. Sounds good, right? It should, because this video you are watching right now is AI using just my picture. Now, let me show you something that will change the way you look at YouTube forever. Look at this YouTube channel. It shares folktale stories using only voiceovers and images. Check out the numbers of subscribers and views it's getting. Here is another one. This channel focuses on YouTube growth using animated pictures. And look at its massive subscriber base and views. These channels make $1,000 to $2,000 or even more per month without showing their faces. I'm Mrs. Vera. I create content about relationships to inspire and empower young people like you to chase purpose without losing faith or family. In this video, I'll be answering some of your most asked questions, including how I create content with AI, how I stay consistent, my advice for those who want to start content creation but do not want to show their faces. The truth is, the online content space is evolving, and the good news is you do not need to be an expert or have any expensive equipment to start. Whether you are a busy mom, a student, or just someone who does not want to be on camera but want to start creating content, this is your sign to start immediately. Stay till the end because I'll be sharing 3 secret tips that has helped me stay consistent even when I felt like giving up. So grab a seat, get some popcorn, and let me break it down for you. Welcome back. Question 1. How did you start your faceless content creation journey? Let me be honest with you. I have always wanted to share my knowledge and experiences with others, but I didn't know how to start. A friend once advised me to start putting out content on YouTube, but I kept making excuses. I thought I needed a fancy camera, a beautiful studio setup, and a lot of time to sit in front of a camera. And as a busy person, time is one thing I do not have in abundance. At first, I tried DIY videos, but I struggled with consistency and eventually abandoned my first channel. And one day, I had a realization when I saw other faceless creators doing it successfully. And I thought to myself, why not give this a shot? That's when I decided to stop making excuses. I started with just my phone and free AI tools. And here I am today, growing my channel and staying consistent with God's help. My advice is start with what you have. The perfect time will never come. The more you wait, the more you procrastinate. Question 2. How did you consistently create content to keep engagement? This one is tough, yeah? But with God, all things are possible. What really helps me is having a content creation plan. Maybe I will make another video on how I plan my content, so subscribe now and turn on your notification so you don't miss out. Here is what I do. I create content at night when I'm well rested because my days are busy. I plan my videos ahead and batch create content when I can. This helps me stay consistent. I stick to a posting schedule. For me, that's Mondays and Thursdays. If you want to succeed on YouTube, you must stay consistent. One secret that has really helped me is involving God and my husband. When your family understands your vision, they become your biggest support system. Question 3. How do you stay consistent even when views are low? I won't lie. When I first started, I would upload a video and get only 30 to 50 views. I felt really discouraged. But one thing God taught me is that I'm not doing this for the numbers, I'm doing it for the impact. Even if only one person watches my video and learns something, that's success. Every big YouTuber you see today started from zero to the point where they are today. The only difference between them and the people who quit is consistency. So, do not let low views stop you. Keep creating, keep learning, and your audience will find you. Question 4. What are the best tips for people who want to start content creation but are afraid? Did I hear you say afraid? Come on. It's normal to feel that way, but think about the impact your videos will have on someone's life. Also, think about the benefit of earning 3 to 4 figures monthly when your channel finally blows up. My advice is stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for validation. People's opinions won't pay your bills. Focus on the impact and not perfection. Most importantly, involve God in your journey, because without Him, you might just be wasting your time. Sometimes your breakthrough might be tied to that one video that you are so afraid to post. But before you start thinking about the money involved, please focus on impact first, because when you provide value, the money will flow in. Question 5. How do you stay motivated when life happens? My biggest secret is God. I tell you, I pray before every video I make. I ask God for strength, especially on days when I don't feel like creating. There are times when I'm creating videos and I'll say to myself, okay, why not just take a little break, respond to your messages on WhatsApp and just get back to editing. But I'll find myself scrolling through Facebook and Instagram for no reason. But I reminded myself of the Bible verse, Isaiah 40:31. But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. Do not rely on motivation alone. Rely on discipline too. It will take you far, I tell you. Question 6. Why do you use AI instead of showing your face? Like I said earlier, I'm always busy and I do not have time to film myself. I tried filming at night, but due to exhaustion, the quality was never good. So instead, I record voiceovers and I use AI-generated images to convey my message. If you do not have the time to sit in front of a camera, or you are too shy, or if you are a student looking for a side hustle, start a Faceless YouTube channel. If you want me to show you how to use AI for different type of content, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. To everyone who is watching this video, you are more than a mother. You're more than a student. You are someone full of purpose and potentials. God didn't give you your talents so that they can go to waste because of fear and excuses. So rise up and do something about it. Please share this video to others so that they can watch it too. Part 2 is dropping soon, so stay tuned. In conclusion, I would like to say this. Stop waiting, start creating. Listen to me, there will never be a perfect time to start. If you wait for the perfect setup, the perfect voice, or the perfect moment, you will be waiting forever. If you're ready to start your Faceless content journey, comment "I'm ready" below. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe. Drop your questions below and I'll answer them in my next Q&A video. Remember, with God, consistency is possible. See you in my next one. Bye.